Yo, you guys want to see a bunch of different blanks from iColor? Let's get into it. What's up, everybody? Boy Big Brandoh, and today I'm going to be doing what you guys been asking for. Every time I talk about any type of blank t-shirt, you guys are like, how come you don't show the shirt? How come you don't wear the shirt? Try it on. We want to see what it's like before we order it. So I listened and I'm doing exactly what you guys asked. So I have a bunch of different blank t-shirts from iColor. Everything from their basic, staple, block, classic, the faded, stonewash stuff. I got a bunch of different t-shirts here to try on and show you guys so you guys get a better understanding of what they have to offer and what my thoughts are on a lot of the things. You guys know I wear the AS Classic t-shirt all the time. That's currently what I'm wearing now. That's my personal shirt. These are my personal favorite shirts to wear. I wear them blank. I print on them for myself. The cotton feels good. They wash really good. This has been my premium blank t-shirt forever now. Just to give you some dimensions, I'm about 220 pounds, about 5'10". I wear an extra large. This is an extra large after it's been washed a bunch of times. Like I said, this is my personal shirt that I wear when I'm riding bikes. So I'm constantly sweating this thing out, washing this thing, and wearing this thing. But every time I talk about this stuff, you guys are like, well, I wish you would have showed the shirt, or I wish you would have tried it on, or what does the shirt actually look like? So I got a bunch of the shirts in, all in my size extra large. Majority of them are black, but I also got some of the faded colors and stonewash colors, just so you guys can see the difference. But I will say this, in no way am I sponsored by iColor. They don't pay me to make these videos. I'm just relaying the information to you guys right here. In the future, it'd be dope to work with them because I stand behind their blanks. But if they take notice or don't take notice, it doesn't stop me from actually using their blanks. Now, one of the biggest reasons I use iColor is not just because of the quality and the consistency of their blanks, but they're located here in Carson, California. My store is located in Torrance, California. I live in Gardena, California. I am next door to Carson. It's nothing but a 5-minute drive for myself. I could place my order in the morning. No matter the size of the order, it'll either be done and ready for pickup that same afternoon or the following morning. And you guys know my cheap ass does not like to pay for shipping or freight, so going with local suppliers is always the best for myself. I highly recommend you guys do the same. Now, I've tried tons of t-shirts, and for myself, iColor has been the softest cotton hand feel t-shirt out the gate. Doesn't matter what model it is, it doesn't matter what price it is. Every single blank that they offer, the cotton on their t-shirts is soft to the touch. I don't know if it's all ring spun or combed cotton. I don't know the science behind it. I also don't know the weight. Like when people talk GSM and all that good stuff, I don't pay attention to that. I need to try the shirt on, see what it feels like, then I go based off of that. So before I get into it, I just want to say this iColor Classic t-shirt, size extra large that has been washed, is the control t-shirt. This is my standard of what I like to wear. I'm going to show you guys what it looks like on, give you the 360 spin, so that way you could compare it to all the other t-shirts that I try on for you guys. So I know you've been waiting on it. Let's get into it. All right, here we go. So for a size comparison, this is the iColor Classic t-shirt that's been washed. Size extra large. This has been my t-shirt for a few years now. I've been wearing this shirt almost weekly. This is my own regular shirt. iColor Classic extra large, washed a ton of times. This is what the collar looks like. Sleeves look like. This is my shirt. I just want to show what this shirt looks like before I try on all the other ones, so then that way you have something to go based off of. So here it is. iColor Classic, size extra large. Side view. Front view. This is the t-shirt that I already like to wear. This is the regular iColor staple t-shirt. Side view, back view, side view, front view. This is what it looks like. This is how it feels on the sleeves. Close up of the neck. This one fits a little tight in the armpits. Sleeves feel a little snug for my liking. I would probably size up to a 2X on this one. This is an extra large. I know some people like that fit. People like when the sleeves are hugging. This is very soft cotton, so it doesn't feel uncomfortable. It's just for my own like the way I like to wear my t-shirts isn't this snug around the arms. I don't have big arms, I don't have big shoulders, I'm just big all around. This is what the extra large looks like. So if I were to wear this again, I'd probably size up to a 2X, but this is what the extra large fits like. This is the regular iColor heavy t-shirt. I say regular because I also have a faded one in the pile. This is the regular one. So here's the back view. This actually feels really nice. Heavyweight, but super soft still. It's just like a crazy material. Feels really good. Way different than any of the other t-shirts. You could really feel the weight on this one. But when I compare it to like a heavy shirt, like a Pro Club or a Shaka Max heavyweight, this cotton feels way softer and way different. This is what the sleeves look like. This is the heavy shirt, size extra large. Here's the back view. Close up of the collar. This one fits good. If I were to get this, I'd wear an extra large in this one. If I was looking for one of those heavyweight t-shirts, this is where it's at right here. iColor heavy t-shirt. All right, this is the iColor basic t-shirt. Size extra large, side view, back view, side view, front view. Extra large, iColor basic, feel soft, side seams. Not too bad. This is what the collar looks like up close. Extra large, there it is. iColor basic. Extra large, iColor staple Stonewash t-shirt. Side view, back view, side view, front view. This is the Stonewash one. This is what the neck looks like. This is what the color looks like. This is what the sleeves look like. A little tight for my liking. This is extra large. Feels a little tight here, up in the armpits. There it is. If this is the look you're going for, by all means, check it out. For myself personally, this is not the look I'm going for. If I did wear this, I would probably size up to a 2X, but this is what it looks like on. Arms, sleeves, front view, there it is. You guys seen this one before, but this is the iColor block. Size extra large, side view, back view, side view, front view. This thing right here fits good. I like the way this fits. I like the way it actually lands right above my elbows. Sleeves feel good. Everything about this t-shirt feels good. A little close up of the neck. Once again, iColor block. This is becoming one of my favorite t-shirts right here. This is a tubular shirt also. No side seams on this one. Fits good, feels good, soft cotton. I really like this one right here. This is the iColor Classic Oversized, extra large. Oversized for sure. Sleeves are at my elbows. This is what the back looks like. Side view, front view. Definitely oversized. The length feels a little bit short, but the sleeves feel pretty big. Shoulders are dropped down pretty low. Collar feels really snug and tight. Let me get a little close up of that collar for you. Shoulders are really low. This is what it looks like on my arms. It's right at my elbows, if not a little lower. Oversized look, oversized fit, fairly boxy. I know this is a look, not a look I'm going for, but I know a lot of people like this. This is what the extra large looks like. Boom. All right, here goes the iColor heavy fade shirt. I think this is the faded black. Here's the side view. Here's the back view. Here's the side view again. Front view. Boom. This shirt feels good. I know this is a look a lot of people like, the oversized faded look. This to me is a dope oversized shirt. I know they have one that's called oversized, but if I were to wear this shirt, this heavy shirt, I would consider this oversized in my own retail store. Here's what the collar looks like. A little close up of the color also. Like I said, this is their faded black and this is standard black. So here's the regular black. That's the faded black right there. So you can see the color comparison. This one does look faded. This is the regular black. There it is. Once again, arms feel good, length feels good. Everything about this t-shirt feels good if I was going for that oversized look. And the color's cool. They actually have a lot of dope color offerings for this faded stuff. There it is, iColor heavy fade t-shirt. All right, there you have it. Those are all the t-shirts that I had to show you guys. I tried them on, gave you a 360 spin, gave you an idea of what it looks like to be worn. For myself, I still stand behind that iColor classic t-shirt, the one I'm wearing right here. I love this t-shirt, but I must say the block t-shirt is one of my favorite shirts. I think I'm gonna transition everything in my retail store to the block t-shirt. The price is good, the feel is good, the fit is really dope, collar's good. I love everything about that t-shirt. So in the summertime, I think I'm gonna transition everything in my retail store to the block t-shirt. Color offerings are good. Like I said, the price is so dope to me. So I gotta say the block t-shirt, easily one of my favorites here in this whole group. This is something I'm gonna be offering to my retail customers. I'm gonna be printing on these t-shirts right here. You guys already know I print mostly black. This t-shirt, the block, hands down one of my favorites. Now, one of the other shirts that took me by surprise where I actually like it, I just haven't found a real use for it yet, but I feel like if some of my customers wanted a heavyweight shirt, I'm gonna have to go with the heavy shirt. The regular heavy and the heavy fade, these two t-shirts caught me by surprise. I like the fit and the feel. Like, you really have to feel this shirt to understand like how heavy it is, but also how soft it is. If you've tried like Pro Club or Shaka heavyweight shirts, like their max heavyweight, just the standard shirts that you could buy at the swap meet or at the liquor store, at T-shirt warehouse, the regular Pro Club Shaka heavy shirts, this is way softer, but it's still so heavy. You have to feel it. If you ever come to my store, I'll keep one of these on hand so you could actually feel the difference. But this shirt is crazy to me. I didn't know if I was gonna like it. I don't really have a big use for a lot of heavy shirts, but this right here is something that I would offer my customers. And the faded one is dope too, man. Like, the color offerings are cool because I know a lot of people are into that like vintage washed or pigment dyed type stuff. So these faded shirts are on trend right now, but this heavy one is such a dope one to me. If I'm offering oversized stuff, I'm gonna offer this heavy shirt as my oversized offering, if that makes any sense. This is a really clean t-shirt. So the heavy fade and the regular heavy, those two, surprisingly, really dope to me and I'm a fan of. Now, that's not to say the staple and the basic and the other shirts that I showed here are not dope. I could really see myself wearing the basic shirt as like a workout shirt, or just if I wanted a really lightweight t-shirt to wear around, especially in the summertime. The fit is good. The cotton is super, super soft. The collar's a little thinner, but still snug around the neck, and the sleeves felt good. The staple t-shirt's a little too fitted for my liking, especially being a big round guy. I don't really like the fit of that t-shirt. It's not for me. But I know there's a lot of people that enjoy that type of look. So if you're looking for the soft ring spun cotton fitted style t-shirt, the staple is where it's at. As like an everyday summertime blank t-shirt just to wear or even to print on, the basic tee is kind of what I'm leaning towards. Feels good, breathes good, and it wears very well. So like all my other reviews, I'm gonna wash all these shirts, machine wash, machine dry, see how they hold up, do the measurements for you guys in a separate video so you guys get a better understanding of how these things wash and how they hold up. But this right here was just so you guys can see what they actually fit like. That's what it looks like on my body. I have a pretty standard size body. I'm not muscular, I'm not built, I'm not super skinny. I'm just an all-around round brown guy. This is what a size extra large fits like. And if you missed it from the beginning, My measurements are 220 pounds, 5'10", standard ass build. These are just my thoughts and opinions on these t-shirts right here. If you wanted to actually like feel the differences, you can always come to my store and I'll show you guys what these t-shirts feel like so you get a better understanding. And who knows, I might bring the sample packs back, and then I might offer the 2 different t-shirts that I like from iColor in the samples, so that way you guys can actually own them and feel what they feel like. Get some transfer samples, t-shirt samples, so you guys get a better understanding. I'm thinking about doing that. I might do it for the classic t-shirt and the block t-shirt, because those are 2 different shirts. One's a tubular shirt, one's a side seam shirt. Both have soft cotton and they're both my favorite t-shirts. So maybe I'll bring the sample packs back and give out 2 t-shirts within the sample packs of transfers, DTF, and all kind of other stuff that I could throw in that package for you. This is just me brainstorming on camera for you guys, but I might bring that to you guys just so you guys get a better understanding on how this stuff works. Now, if you wanted to order your own iColor stuff, go to ascolor.com. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. I don't think any other sites sell iColor blanks. I think you have to buy it directly from them. If you're here in Southern California, you can actually pick up your stuff from their warehouse located in Carson. I believe they have a North Carolina one, but I might be wrong. You would have to look. So if you're on that side of the country, close to North Carolina, maybe you could pick up from them, but you would have to look where their other warehouse is located. I just know of the one here in Carson because that's closest to me. So if you're in Los Angeles or just Southern California, easy call to pick up. But if you are on the West Coast in general, shipping out of Carson should be fairly quick for you. So go to ascolor.com, open up your account with them, start shopping around. Wholesale pricing looks way different than retail pricing. So if you have your wholesale certificate, license, resale permit, whatever they call them in your areas, open up a wholesale account with them to see the wholesale pricing. They'll set you up with a sales rep. That sales rep will walk you through everything. That's what I did. Once again, shout out to iColor. I'm looking forward to working with you guys in the future. And if you have any questions about anything I talked about, leave it in the comments for me. Follow me on Instagram, Big Brandoh TV. Catch you guys on the next one, man. Yeah.